Hello everyone, I'm Sam Reichard with DeSotoCountyNewsroom.com, your DeSoto Day Planner, brought to you by Pounders Repair. You can find them at 345 East Commerce Street, where they specialize in diesel repair and performance. Today we start out with mostly sunny skies, temperatures near freezing at 7 a.m. By 11 a.m. we should be partly sunny, temperature 47, probably cloudy by 2 p.m. this afternoon with a 30% chance of showers in the area, and certainly by 5 p.m. about a 60% chance of rain in the area. Skies will be cloudy, temperature 49 degrees, winds from the northeast 5 to 10 miles per hour. I'm Sam Reichard. Have a great Thursday.